Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Creative Popo, administered by Halima Abdul Shakur Bawani. Today we are here to perform an experiment on balloon inflation. We have Aisha with us who is going to share this experiment with you. Here we go.
Here we have a bottle with a balloon. First we will put this bottle in cold water and let's see what happens with the balloon. The balloon shrinks. It shrinks because the air inside the bottle gets colder. Cold air contracts and takes less space. As a result, the balloon shrinks. Now we will put the same bottle inside hot water and let's see what happens. As you can see, the balloon grows. It grows because the air inside the bottle gets warmer as it takes more space and expands the balloon. This all happens because of a concept called thermal expansion.
To try this experiment at your home, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Creative Popo. Hope you like our video. Allah Hafiz.